I'm so bored. Yeah. Hey, Mario. What is it now, Luigi? I have bad news. What's the bad news? The angry birds are gonna live here. Oh, really? That's cool. Well, you're not mad? No, I love angry birds. When are they gonna be here? They must be here. Okay, I'm gonna go answer the door. Oh, hello. What's your name? My name is Mario. And what's your name? Oh, what we'll do is when we come in the house. Okay. Nice eggs you got here. Yeah, we're bringing them in. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's bring our eggs. Is that all of them? Yep. Oh! Sorry, I really won't be. I'll come in. Mamma mia! That's really hot. But okay now. Ugh. Wow, I can't believe I fell down. Now, what's your name? Hello, my name is Redbird, and I'm the leader of the family. And this is Bluebird. He's the youngest on our group. And this is Telebed. And this is Yellowbird. He's speed to go to east and south and west. And this is Greenbird. And this is Big Bird. And this is my big brother Terrence. He always plays with his tech deck. Do you have a tech deck? And this is Whitebird. Hello, nice to meet you. And this is Speedy, and this is Blackbird. He always explodes. And we're the Angry Birds. Well, I have a brother and a friend and a pet. My brother's name is Luigi, our friend's name is Toad, and a pet dinosaur name is Yoshi. Really? Yeah. So you boys must be living in our house, yes? Oh, I'm so happy that you're here. No problem. Yeah. What? Waha. Whoa, those are what they look like? Yeah. This is Luigi. And this is Yoshi. Yoshi. And this is Toad. Toad! Wah, wah. Wait. Luigi and Yoshi are green. Why? Even I'm green. Shut up. Meanwhile, yes, we finally made it into the house before the birds. We got a plan to steal the eggs. I can't take it anymore. Hey, why are birds in the house? Well, I don't know. Hello. It's a monster! Ow, ow, stop it. Oops, sorry. Who are you? Yeah, who are you? By the way, you look kind of scary. Oh, my name is Lord Bowser, and this is Chameleon. What's your name? My name is King Pig, and I'm Helmet Pig. My name is Big Pig, but people call me Fat Pig. And I'm Derpy, and I'm a real monkey. Hey, how about we team up to steal the birds' eggs? Okay. To be continued.